selector.
Hola.
Welcome back again to our second episode of Siyabangena.
Siyabangena show, but more.
Otherwise,
I can't even stop thinking about Tipildong Besida earlier on. It just reminds me of home, you know. We get there, okay.
Leya besele beyincane kanjani so ngishela ama crumbs yazibesilehle but it's all right ngizothola la ngizohamba ngiyozithola izinto zami but otherwise benjani weekend yakho sho
The weekend you know I spent a lot of time in the South Africans.
Yeah,
it's so crazy to see like Connecticut kuna South Africans amaningi kangaka, you know.
Yes.
I know.
Sure.
It was fun, you know. It just feels good to like be away from home and be able to speak isiZulu nje. Ngikushele ngesiZulu ya.
Yeah, exactly. I like that. That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. So, yazini bengicabanga mbinjani.
Bucabanga mbinjani.
Yazini bengizikhuphula and I was just thinking, you know what? Why don't we just create a platform? Like a platform where maybe as we doing it now,
yeah.
And then start this business and start, you know, finding out with the
yeah.
Or talk about issues that concern them.
Yeah.
Because I think there's a lot out there to talk about.
Oh yeah.
There's a lot of people out there who wants to say some things, but they don't have the platform.
You're right. Now no Trump this is crazy.
Yes, that's why I want us to create that platform because we have to talk about these things. Like we can't pretend like these things is not happening because it's happening. Even though we got hit at home,
right?
Maybe with someone we know,
right? Because you think it'll never happen to you, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, because we are here, you know. Yeah. That is really with these people, lava and these politics, all these things happen. We gotta just create a platform.
It's true. I mean, things are happening at home. They want Zuma to fall. What do you think of that?
You know, that's another issue. Because Tina, I think we are caught between a rock and a hard place.
Yeah.
Now, passive busy, not Donald.
Donald Duck.
But I guess, you know, Tina la singaphandle ne abantu abangaphakathi le ekhaya abalapha ekhaya they probably will look at us ngathi we think uZuma vele needs to fall, but the majority of the people are saying that he needs to fall,
right.
And the ANC yona,
right.
I mean, who's gonna get rid of him?
Yeah.
If it's not the ANC itself.
If it's not the AIDS,
the people. Yeah, hey, the AIDS could work. Ne? Maybe you can, but you know, it takes a shower. That guy, the shit out, and then it's all good. You'll never do shit to that guy.
Right? No, I kind of like him. He's very charismatic, you know.
He is. I think I like him better when he speaks.
This is Zulu. Oh my God, yeah.
You can tell, you know, this guy is very, very powerful.
Yeah.
Because he's speaking a language.
Exactly, comfortable. I live in Jogutaloga to 27, 160,000,
I don't even want to say, I don't want to embarrass myself even further. That's my president. He's my president because I have no choice. He's my president.
Right.
And I'm busy with Donald Trump.
You're thinking, yes. You can't escape.
Yeah,
Trump. Trump. I think people are unaware which is probably going to see now. Marababoni.
Sabagata get abafana naye lo baba lo sisebenza naye put ama-dimension sayemazi
isona manje lesifo lesi
yazi la being away from home sometimes akukho mnandi, you know, especially because bakhona abafana nathi Joe abangenayo leyo opportunity ukuthi they can go home,
right,
and go anywhere freely, especially lesikhathi samanje.
Oh my God, yeah.
Papa leyana nayo yenza because now we're limited.
Yeah,
you know?
I can see that, yeah.
I don't know, I mean, I was trying to do an investigation and check, okay, can people go to school? Like, at least get be here and
learn better themselves. Yeah,
it's possible, right?
I think it's possible.
Paper or no paper?
I'm not sure about that. Mom, then you can go ahead. No, I think some people do study. It's bureaucracy, bafuna amaphepha bafuna all kinds of stuff.
Right now I think ile parle because I think for the past 8 years the time sasekhona la man
Bush
no, not that guy.
Why ngikhuluma Obama or Clinton?
No, ngikhuluma past 8 years let's put
yeah, Obama. Yeah.
I wouldn't learn before saseli. That's why it's slim as abantu abake bangaza bakho.
They're gonna strategy,
yeah. First time.
Yeah. And very calm, right?
Like
very calm.
I think they are out there abazikhumbula labantu bana.
Sisi yamkhumbula already.
Hey, mina bengafuna ukuthi avashe. Ngizibuza Joe, manje mehamba le parlena kuzenzakala.
Bana bona bafaka bani.
Manje ucabanga ntwana athi ngibuthi, ngiyazibuzela nje ne?
Zibuzela.
Alright, ngema elections mina bengikhona la United States yakhona ne.
My elections kabani?
Lawa esiphuma kuwo.
Oh, that was crazy. That was
busy. Yeah. And I feel Gucci, you know, it's none of my business, but it is my business in a sense because I'm here.
Right.
And I get affected somehow with whatever, you know, decisions that they make. I know one thing, I'm not a criminal. I'm Jonji. I don't kill nobody, I don't rob nobody. And in long ninja, but I'm telling you so you know. And in long ninja,
they can find ways to.
But listen, though, I've never, not even once, been on a footstep. Never.
Right.
But let me tell you, I also pay my taxes.
Of course.
They take taxes, means you know, yes, but it's my tax. So why would they wanna take abantu abanjalo abangayenzanga next abazizamelayo?
Well, so they can keep sending people to war. We have an Israeli man who's here. You've been like,
this guy is doing more than that, dog. Okay, I'm full of weird recently, Syria, because abanyabantu okay, you wanna talk about Syria, Gucci, Lomuntu ubulela abantu Syria, nana. What about in poison gas, ne? La Flint.
La akunamanzi.
La a country la Flint.
What's the washing gulai next door?
Yeah, gulai kone. Manga so uti.
So feeling.
Yeah, it's here in the country. I get to United States.
Yeah.
So
he won't even drink that water himself.
I don't want to think about it because it's like mati.
Because there's like, you know, there's life in water, and if somebody takes away the opportunity of clean water,
of course.
Why a flint? Oil up in flint?
I don't even know. Yes, I've never done any research about flint. There's been too much going on. Too much going on. Sometimes being black, scares me. I wish I was like.
It's so scary being black.
Right, especially when you're a dude, dog. Like, you don't even know what's going to happen. When you see a car pull over,
my God. Oh, it's scary even for me as a black woman. I was walking one time and I saw a cop car. I started checking myself whether I'm like committing crime.
Knowing, you know, I ain't got nothing, but then you get scared. That's been happening for years and years, though, not just now.
And it's not just my camera phones.
Yeah.
So, you know, so we can record these things.
But you know, okay, so there's so much to talk about.
Yeah.
There's so much to talk about. And I know people out there are eager. They want that platform.
Yeah.
To be able to talk about something because we don't have that voice.
Yeah.
I guess that's how I was number. So we gotta figure something out.
So much
well, no. Think back. Alright, so okay.
Hi man, I always have such a good time.
So and so vula i-platform sibone ukuthi singazama abanye abantu sibone bathini, you know.
Yeah, it's true. It's true. I'm looking forward to it.
Talking to you, man. I'm telling you, it's coffee.
But who's the last time we did?
At least we did. I'm forget as I'm telling you, last time we said with the coffee. But thank you, man.
Thank you. Cheers again.
Thank you, sir.
Ciao.